Just like eating healthy and exercising, a good night's sleep is equally important for your health. Getting good quality sleep is one of the best things that you can do for your well-being. There are numerous choices of mattresses available in the market, so choosing one from that is not an easy task. To choose the right mattress, there are many things to consider from which include your body type, your sleeping position, the features you want, price and much more. So this video will guide you and review one of the best mattress of new era, that is Wakefit. Laying down in the store isn't the only way to choose your mattress anymore. New mattress in a box companies like Wakefit have won over thousands of customers with convenient shipping and free trial period. You first have to place your rolled mattress in the center of your cot and removing the external black cover like this. It comes with a manual how to open the cover and how to get the mattress in position. This Wakefit mattress is vacuum pressed and packed in a roll pack box. Always use the plastic knife for cutting the plastic sheet above the rolled mattress. Now cut open the internal plastic cover that is provided for protecting it. For easy identification, the white surface is the memory foam side, which has to be placed facing upward. The density of memory foam is around 55 kgs. Considering the comfort, a mattress that conforms to the shape of your body, like the memory foam mattress, is the ideal choice. A Wakefit mattress is a perfect choice as it does not push the body away and offers great comfort. It also offers temperature control as the foam cells are bigger and thus has better airflow and is highly breathable, thus keeping its temperature neutral throughout the night. So people who tend to sleep hot at night benefits greatly from a Wakefit mattress. We have purchased the memory foam orthopedic mattress. Memory foam has open cell structure. Once you press the memory foam mattress, it will retain the pressure, remembers it, and even when you come out of the bed, it will take some time to regain the normal structure, as it remembers the pressure points, hence the name memory foam. Slowly, mattress will take its real position. Mattress protector, which is soft and texture. Quick machine washable material for hygiene and cleanness. Elastic for tucking in the corners. We have also purchased the bed sheet, which is also from Wakefit, which is super soft, made with 100% cotton. 10 inches in length, fits mattress up to 9 inches. It is medium firm mattress and there is no motion transfer. For example, when your partner moves, it will not disturb your sleep. Adhesives used to glue different layers of foam is water-based one instead of harmful chemicals. Also, it is Green Guard certified, that is completely safe for home usage. The first layer of your Wakefit mattress will be memory foam to take the shape of your body. The second layer is the differential pressure zone layer, and the third layer is the high resilience layer. They do not use rebonded foams at all. No matter what the sleeping type is, the perfect mattress is the one which allows a night's rest without any pain, ache or stiffness. An orthopedic mattress from Wakefit offers great support for people who have back pain or joint pain issues. Change the orientation of the mattress head to foot and foot to head side periodically to increase the life of the mattress. Wakefit orthopedic memory foam mattress of king size with 8 inches thickness, that is 75 into 72 into 8 inches, costed us nearly 12,808 rupees when we have placed our order through their website. So basically it's been 1 year that we are using Wakefit mattress for our queen size bed and repeated our purchase for our king size bed this time. We are pretty satisfied with the quality, price, comfort, support, durability, firmness. Actually it's best for me as I used to have severe back pain with other brands. Thanks Wakefit for such a lovely product. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and press the bell icon if you like the video. Thank you so much.